Citizenship to Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh minorities in Gujarat. Union Home Ministry recently notified an order granting citizenship to religious minorities in Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan residing in Anand and Mehsana districts in Gujarat. The Ministry of Home Affairs notification grants citizenship to Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, living in Anand and Mehsana districts in Gujarat. This order empowers district collectors to grant the citizenship to these minorities under Citizenship Act, 1955. This is not the first time that the magistrates or collectors were given the power to grant citizenship to religious minorities who legally entered India from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. In 2016 and 2018, the district collectors of Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar and Kutch were given the power to grant citizenship to minorities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. In August 2022, Gujarat Home Minister distributed Indian citizenship